Alright, so the owner wanted me to rebuild the HVAC unit, the heater core. The foam after years just gets super bad, starts falling apart, and then it'll blow in your face. So we're gonna replace all the foam inside of the heater core, clean it up, make it nice. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, clean up the heater box. Got some plastic cleaner that I use that I really like. So I'm just gonna get it cleaned up. Cool. Alright, so a friend of mine sent me his leftover foam when he did his trap doors for his heater box. Thank you, Devin. Really appreciate it, dude. Alright, so I'm replacing the foam on the heater box. This is the old foam. So I asked Devin what he used. He decided to send me his leftover foam, like a legend. Not only did he send me the leftover foam, he sent me his templates for all the trap doors. So it's going to be super easy to cut out. On top of that, he sent me a box of new gloves. Freaking legend. Not only that, he sent me the glue and surfacing discs that he used. Not only that, he sent me earmuffs. What a legend. He also sent me templates, so I can trace the templates out. It's super easy. Put them on there. Cool. Thank you so much, man. Alright, so I got the doors as clean as I can off camera. A little bit of like paper residue left. Kind of weird. This is a very weird plastic. I don't know what type of plastic this is. But I traced out the template. Cut it out. Now we just need to take it off. And I think what I'm going to do is apply an adhesion promoter to the actual door. See if that helps adhere it. All right, time to start assembling this. Got all the foam on the doors. Some of the doors have thicker foam. That's how they are. So, cool. Get this thing assembled. It's looking pretty good though, all cleaned up. Here we go. All right, the heater box is done. That's what we're looking like, fully assembled. Put that away. Move on to the next thing.